In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an image 300 DPI in Photoshop the right way. Whether you're preparing a photo for high-quality printing, client work, posters, or professional documents, setting your image to 300 DPI is extremely important for sharp and crisp print results. I'll walk you through everything step by step, including the difference between changing resolution without resizing and actually increasing pixel count. Make sure you watch until the end so you choose the correct option for your situation. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Adobe Photoshop. Once your image is open, go to the top menu and click on Image, then select Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on Mac to open it instantly. This image size window is where all the resolution and dimension adjustments happen, so this is the most important panel for today's tutorial. Once the image size window opens, look for the resolution field. You'll usually see it set to 72 pixels per inch for web images. To make your image 300 DPI, simply change that value to 300. Make sure the unit next to it says pixels per inch. If it says something else, click the drop-down and select pixels per inch. Setting this to 300 is the standard for high-quality printing. Now, before you click OK, this next step is very important. You need to decide whether or not to use the Resample option. This determines whether Photoshop will change the actual number of pixels in your image or just adjust the print resolution. Let's talk about option A, which is best for print in most cases. If your image already has large dimensions and you simply need to prepare it for printing, uncheck the box that says Resample. When Resample is unchecked, Photoshop will not add or remove pixels. It will only change how densely those pixels are packed for print. After unchecking Resample, type 300 into the resolution field. You'll notice the width and height measurements in inches will change automatically, but the pixel dimensions stay exactly the same. This keeps your original image quality intact while setting it to print at 300 DPI. Now let's look at option B, which is increasing the actual pixel count. If your image is too small and you truly need more pixels for a larger print size, keep Resample checked. Then choose Preserve Details 2.0 from the drop-down menu. This resampling method is designed to maintain sharpness when enlarging images. After that, set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. You can also manually adjust the width or height if needed, and Photoshop will generate additional pixels. Keep in mind that increasing pixels can slightly reduce sharpness, so only use this option when necessary. Once you've chosen the correct option for your needs and set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch, go ahead and click OK. That's it. Your image is now set to 300 DPI. If you're sending your file to a printer, exporting as a high-quality JPEG or PDF will maintain that 300 DPI setting. And remember, 300 DPI is mainly important for print. For web use, resolution doesn't matter nearly as much as pixel dimensions. And that's how you make an image 300 DPI in Photoshop step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.